found this old time lapse from 2015 where I took a table and cut it in half and made it into a long shelf-like table along the wall in the sunroom. So I figured I'd post this up on the channel. Here I'm screwing together. The table used to spread apart, so I'm putting some boards on there to hold it together so that the pieces stay together. And the next thing, let's see, I'm cutting the end off of that table because it's where it's going to mate to the other table. The two tabletop sides are going to go end to end. Sanding the rough edges from the circular saw, I guess. And oh, biscuit cutter. Gonna put some biscuits in to put the two tabletop pieces together. Taking the side off of that one. I did leave the side on the other one so I'd have some place to put the middle leg for that. But I took the side off of this half of the table so that I could get them together. And biscuit cutter again. I love that thing. Hardly ever use it, but I love that tool. So, let's see. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Oh, it's cutting the pieces that I'm going to screw to the wall. Here we're clearing out the area where we're going to put it up. Measuring the height. Make sure I get the blocks on the wall at the right height. Some of this is self-explanatory. Stud finder, measuring tape, level. All the normal stuff. Putting the leg on to support that end of the table. And I left the side on that side just so I could do that with the other leg. Screwing it in. It's actually pretty stable. This one I'm supporting all the way at the end because all the weight will be on two biscuits if I don't put something underneath it, where the other one I supported it in the middle because it just needed something. I do believe I put another block on the wall too just then. Now I am putting the leg on, I should say. Biscuits are in. Oh, I needed to trim it up a bit, I guess. And some caulk to hold it all together. I'm not sure why I didn't use wood glue. I guess I had caulk, so I used caulk. Filling in the crack with caulk to make it leveler. Now, sanding. I cut out a bunch of the sanding because it was just too much. And here we are later on in the day. I am freshly back from the hardware store with the molding I needed. I think that's quarter round molding. Oh, actually it's not. It looks like it's got a shape to it. I forget. It's been so long. I look at the table every day, but I couldn't tell you what it looks like. Alright, measuring it, taking it up, cutting it, bringing it back, and then caulking it in place because I guess I liked caulk at that point in time. And here's my lovely wife getting started with the painting. I did apologize to her for painting over it, but she understood it had to be painted. And then sticking some paint under the molding. And next morning, the next coat. Thank God the cats didn't walk on it. That would have been a disaster. I didn't even think of that until just now. So there you have it.